Hi planner friends, welcome back to Planner Cookie Mama. Today I'm going to be planning in my A4 binder, so I'm going to be planning July, and I'm using this kit from New Planner Studio on Etsy. So this is a happy planner kit, but I'm going to make it work in here. Obviously the sizes aren't going to be brilliant, but I really like the kit and I want to use it. So we've got just the usual kind of things you get in a monthly kit. You've got your sidebars here, you've got your washi, some full boxes that you can write in, some more washi, your paydays, things like that. And then on the second page then you've got the second half of your top washi, some bilges, some boxes, and just some little things all around. So I've already cut up what I want to be using. So I'm not sure if I said yet, this is from New Planner Studio on Etsy, and I will leave a link in the description down below for this kit. So I'm not going to be using all of the kit, I'm just going to use some of the bits of it, and I'm going to pull in stickers from other places. So because this planner actually starts on a Monday, I've had to take off the days at the bottom of the washi because obviously with Happy Planner it starts on a Sunday. So what I'm going to do first is just take out my pages. Just move this out of the way. Alright, so let's start with the top washi here. And I'm just going to pop that in the middle. And I'll do the same on this side. Just pop that down in the middle. Okay, now we do have some bottom washi here, which actually might fit. It fits the width, so that's good. I can just pop that in the middle of down the bottom here, and that completely covers up that bottom section. Okay, now I'm going to want to use one of these that I can write on the 21st, because the 21st is my sister, well, it's my sister's birthday and it's my sister and brother-in-law's anniversary on the 21st. So I'm just going to Tipp-Ex out that date so that I can pop this in the middle. Pop that in the middle, and then I can fill that in. I'm going to use some of these decorative boxes just to cover up some of the blank days that we've got going on up here. So I like this one. It says Hello Summer. It's got the stripy bathing suit. So I'm going to pop that in there. So obviously summer actually starts on the 20th of June, but the whole kit's quite summery, so I'm just sticking that in there just now. And then just do a couple of little bits on the sidebar here. Pop that down, and then now I did have thinking in my head about what I was going to do here, and I can't remember what that was now. Hang on. We've got next month. I'm going to stick in here, and we're going to put down this little checklist. And then I've got the to buy. Now obviously the schools go back in August, so in the to buy section I'm going to pop down this big one because there's going to be, I'm going to have to get school supplies for my daughter. And then down the bottom here I just have an extra little check box, so I'm just going to stick that in as well, in there. Okay, so that's the sidebar done. And then we've got another couple of blank days down the bottom here. So there's one. And I like this Hello Summer as well. It's just, I really like the, come on, focus. Is it focusing? There we go. Yeah, I like the beach bag and the sandals and the summer dress. Just makes the planner nice and bright and fun. Let's stick that in there. Okay, so try to think what are the important dates in July. Let me just have a look at my June to see when my last important dates were. Okay, so my two big paydays. I get paid weird, but I get two big paydays a month. So one is on the 6th and one is on the 20th. Okay. And then I feel like I can't remember what I was going to use these for. I did have a thought in my head, but I can't remember what the thought was now. I'll just stick that across the top. Oops. Oh. There, like that. Okay. Now, I don't have any college next month because college is now officially finished for the year. I don't think I've got anything major other than my sister's birthday and her anniversary next month. So my next payday would be 1, 2, 3. Right, I've got another payday here, which I'm just gonna stick, whoops, up the top here. And then, whoops, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got one on the 17th. There we go. All right, so they're my other paydays. Put that to the side now, and then I'll need my Happy Kitty Studio stickers now for my bin days. So let's just have a look. I need all my bins out. Okay. So the brown bin, I know the brown bin goes out on the 1st. And then 1, 2, 3, I'll go out again then on the 29th. Which means that the blue bin, whoops, hope so I can get it off the wee thing. Blue bin that goes out on the 14th. And no, it doesn't. Blue bin goes out on the 28th. The red bin goes out on the 14th, and the green bin goes out on the 15th. And then we have a grey bin, goes out every Wednesday. So many different bins. All right. And I think that's all we need to worry about just now with these. that's it. Oh, hang on. I'm going to use my One Crafty Country Girl stickers now. So I want my payday stickers out. I really need to order more of these. So I'm going to stick payday on there. And another one on there. And then I also have Celebrate stickers in here as well. I just need to find them. Oh, here we go. So celebration stickers. I'm going to use one of these, and I'm going to use, I have one of our old birthday ones, I'm sure I do, in here. Yeah. So I'll stick in a birthday one and a celebrate one so that I can put in both. I don't think I need anything else at the moment from in here. Let me just grab this Sparkling Life Everyday sticker off the top here. Oops. Oh, hang on, wait a minute, that must be an oopsie. Yep, there we go. Oh, sugar, I just ripped that, oh my goodness. I'm having a not good day, obviously. There we go, these ones will be fine. Yep, I've been so bad lately with ripping stickers. Sparkling Life Everyday, I'm actually just going to stick that up here. That's nice up there. Alright, and then I think I can use some of these. Let's have a look and see what we can use in these. So in the UK we don't celebrate 4th of July, but there's a sticker in here for 4th of July, so I was going to use it, but I'm not, because it's a week box rather than a monthly box. Right, so the kids are now on summer break. What I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to decorate it up slightly, just with some summery looking stickers, because this side's looking a bit sort of bare compared to this side. Stick that there. Pineapples are very summery. My daughter loves pineapple. She eats pineapple out the tin like crazy. Stick that there. I really like these coconuts. I think I'm going to use a coconut. You put the lime in the coconut. Yeah, I'll stick that there. This bit looks bare now, doesn't it? Yeah, hang on, I'll stick a lollipop down there. Sugar. Lift that, lift it, lift it. Don't rip, don't rip, don't rip, don't rip, don't rip, don't rip. Stick that there instead so you don't see the line. I'll do. Right. And then I like this coconut as well. This is a blue one instead of the pink one, and I can stick that. I don't just want to stick it anywhere just for the sake of, do you know what? I'm just going to stick it somewhere just for the sake of sticking it. Right, there we go. I think that'll do just now from that one. Let's have a quick look through the... This is the Gold Star quotes. Is it this one that I was finding good ones in, or is it the other one? It might have been the Happy Quotes I'm thinking of. Yeah, I think it was the Gold Star quotes. I'm sure there was nice ones in here. No, do you know what? I think I might actually just leave it like that. And then what I'll do is I'll take my trusty pencil and I'm just going to quickly write in then my sister's birthday. And then it's their anniversary as well. And then payday. And payday. And then I definitely need to buy my daughter new skirts for school. And new shoes because I think the ones that she's got are now too small for her. And I'll probably need to buy her indoor shoes as well if that's the case. And then next month, so school starts back on the 12th. And I think that's all I need to do for that just now. So that's that finished. What I'll do now is just pop it back into my planner. Alright guys, so I'm actually quite happy with that. I think using a Happy Planner kit on the months is definitely going to work because it gives me a good lot for my sidebar, and it means I can actually use most of the boxes. I don't always get to use the boxes in the Happy Planner because I think it makes it look a bit too crowded, but I've done, so that's June. I actually did July last night as well. I just sort of used some of the summer stickers for that as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. As always, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. I will leave links in the description down below for the kit that I used, for my Instagram and One Crafty Country Girl's Instagram, as well as my PR code for One Crafty Country Girl. And until next time, happy planning. Bye!